Imagine you're working on a data manipulation task and suddenly encounter a tricky problem with formatting float or in columns in Python using a specific format specifier like ::.2f. The problem arises when you attempt to execute the code snippet provided, only to be met with a value error indicating that the number of placeholders does not match the number of arguments. Frustrating, right? Now, diving into the solution for this issue. One workaround involves utilizing the pl.Expr.map _elements method in Polars, which allows you to map over each element in the column and apply a custom formatting function. By applying a Lambda function that formats each element to 2 decimal places with commas for 1,000 separators, and specifying the return data type as a string, you can effectively handle the formatting challenge you faced earlier. Expanding further on the solution, the resulting output after applying the Lambda function to format each element in the size column to the desired format is displayed in a structure format. The transformed column now reflects the floats and ints formatted to 2 decimal places with commas serving as the 1,000 separator. This approach provides a practical workaround to achieve the desired formatting outcome when encountering challenges with the native formatting capabilities in Polars. In summary, tackling formatting challenges in float or in columns in Python can be resolved effectively by leveraging the pl.Expr.map _elements method in Polars to customize the formatting process according to your specific requirements. By implementing a Lambda function to handle the formatting intricacies, you can seamlessly achieve the desired output without getting entangled in error messages. And that's how you gracefully navigate through formatting hurdles in your data manipulation tasks. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts or any formatting woes you've encountered in your coding adventures.